Let AutoMarker place the front pattern pieces of a size together. The groups are to be placed at the beginning of the marker. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Open the editor for smart placement. Select the pieces to be placed as groups for one size. Click on Advanced. Give a name for the group. Everything you will now define will be valid for all pattern sizes. Indicate that there should be one group per bundle. Select the option Fix to Left so that the groups will be placed at the beginning of the marker. Create a rule to indicate how the pieces are to be positioned inside the groups. Position the pieces approximately like they should be late in the marker, but with a small overlapping which won't be taken into account from AutoMarker. Press then the keys Ctrl and Shift, click the pieces with the left mouse button and then click with the right mouse button to open the sub-menu. Select the function Align Center Vertical or Align to Plaid. Enter the deviation 0 in the small window. Activate the preview in order to check the result for the different sizes. Click on OK to save the group definition and close the windows. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has grouped the front pieces of each size together. The groups are positioned at the beginning of the marker.